Underwater or submerged plant. Very clear from the name. The plant which is found under the water or which are totally submerged inside the water. These plants are found under the water. वो पानी के पूरा ही नीचे पाया जाता है. Their roots fixed them to the muddy soil. Their roots are totally fixed with the soil. The roots are fixed. Okay. The leaves are narrow and with no stomata. Here we have seen the leaves of these plants. It has no stomata. And exchange of gases takes place through the body surface. If leaf do not have stomata, then how will it do the process of respiration or transpiration? So that is done by the body surface. Body surface means other part of the plant, leaving the leaf, stem और रूट. उसके अलावा जो भी है, लीफ के अलावा जो भी पार्ट उसके पास है, वहाँ से वो क्या करते हैं? दे डू द प्रोसेस ऑफ एक्सचेंजिंग ऑफ गैसेस. एंड वेरी गुड एग्जाम्पल इज हाइड्रिला. The stems are so flexible that they can bond with flowing water. Means if the water will flow, then what happens? The stem of these plant will also flow. So they are very flexible. Another example is tape grass. These submerged plant is very helpful. Do you know why? Because it helps to clean the water. ये पानी को साफ करने में हेल्प करता है. Now how does it help in cleaning the water? By removing the carbon dioxide breathed it out by aquatic animals. Now we know that there are different kinds of aquatic animals in the water. So when these fish do the process of respiration, then what happens? It will give out CO2, and when it will give out CO2, then this CO2 will be taken by this green plant, and this green plant will in return will give oxygen, and then this oxygen will again take this aquatic animal. So like this, these green plants which are found inside the water help in cleaning the water. Cleaning the water means removing the carbon dioxide. If there will be so much of carbon dioxide, then all the aquatic animal may die. How will they breathe? So that's why CO2 is taken up by these plants, and in return they do the process of respiration and they give out the oxygen. It is very important and helpful plant. They use carbon dioxide dissolved in water for the photosynthesis, and all the carbon dioxide which is dissolved in water, which they get from the aquatic plant, they use it for respiration or photosynthesis, and in return they give out the oxygen to the aquatic plants. We know for the process of photosynthesis they need water. तो water में तो already है ही, so there is so much of water. Sunlight is already coming. You can see sunlight is coming, and then it needs CO2, and then this CO2 they get from the aquatic plants, and by this they are able to do the process of photosynthesis, and it is green, and chlorophyll is already present. Chlorophyll भी यहाँ पे present है. So इस सब के मदद से they are able to prepare their food also. So these were some of the adaptations done by the different kinds of plants. Some are floating plants, fixed plant, underwater and submerged plant. I hope all these points would be clear to you. Thank you.